You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that is quite popular in Spain and other Spanish-speaking countries. The Spanish pronunciation also used in Mexico, South America. Enrique. Let's break it down. If you want to learn more Spanish names that are often mispronounced, stay tuned. Enrique. It's not que. No. QU is just pronounced like a K in Spanish. Enrique. Enrique. Stress on the ri syllable in English. Therefore, it's usually pronounced as Enrique. How to pronounce Spanish pronunciation Enrique, English pronunciation Enrique. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.